Hey, adventurers! Okay, be honest. How many of you guessed our next stop was going to be
Tennessee? Didn't think so. But surprise, here we are. And we've got some big news. Bug catching and a last-minute Halloween magic to share with you.
We left Virginia, drove through West Virginia, zipped through a sliver of Ohio, waved at Kentucky, and landed right here in the beautiful backwoods of Fairfield Glade, Tennessee. To all the states, we loved you all, and we will definitely be back to explore you further soon, I promise. But for now, we have to just cruise through you because we're on our way to an event.
We had just recently bought Kylie a fun little bug catcher, and now we may or may not have picked up a hitchhiker on the way.
All it took was one quick bathroom stop, and boom, Kylie finds a bug, names it, adopts it, and declares Tennessee her new favorite state.
We're staying at the cutest little timeshare here in Fairfield Glade, and it is gorgeous. Tucked right in the woods, and we even scored one of those newly remodeled units.
Clean, cozy, and surrounded by trees. Basically, my fall-loving heart is thriving. Okay. We're so excited, and we have an announcement. Alanis has a boyfriend, and he's so nice. Look how cute they are together. We're so excited for her. We can't wait to see you guys when we head back to Utah. See you soon.
They grow up so fast.
So Halloween was creeping up on us, and we got invited to a party. Cue the mad dash for costume creativity.
We're talking last minute, thrift store meets suitcase rummage, and honestly, not bad.
Totally cute, totally chaotic, totally yes.
Now let's talk about this little indoor fun center we found in town.
Yes, we had to sit through another timeshare presentation to get the discount tickets. Was it boring? Absolutely. Was it worth it? Yeah.
We played arcade games, rocked around in mini golf, and then we went full spy mode in laser tag. I mean, I may have gotten a little too into it.
He did combat roles, in sneakers, indoors. Long story short, he ended up winning every round, even when we all ganged up on him in the final round. It's alright, totally worth all the laughter. So to sum it all up, we road tripped across half the country, adopted a bug, celebrated new love, pulled off Halloween magic.
Tennessee, you've been wild, woodsy, and weird in the best way possible.
If you're loving this road trip series, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a moment of the chaos.
And that event we mentioned earlier, yeah, it's coming up fast. Any guesses? It's a big one.
Adventurepreneurs out.